In the East Bay, two neighborhoods have risen to be the most sought after. The venerated Rockridge neighborhood with its fine culinary destinations and BART, and Temescal, which is defined by its trendy restaurants and shops. And it's right in the middle of these two premium locales that my latest new listing finds itself. Hi, I'm Claudia Mills, and I'm beyond thrilled to bring the latest offering built by renowned developers Millennium Living Spaces to market. This splendid 4-bedroom, 3-bath home has been reimagined and rebuilt to the highest design and finish standards that we've come to expect by Millennium. You enter the home via an expansive hallway and are drawn to the great room, which is the heart of the home and typical of Millennium's designs. This great room is an amalgam of 3 spaces found in average homes: kitchen, dining, and living rooms, but here they are all combined into one magnificent whole. The kitchen area is brilliantly detailed and will satisfy the needs of even the most exacting chef. It features quality appliances and all the whistles and bells great kitchens need. Who wouldn't want to cook here? The nearby dining area feels inclusive and yet separate. But the real pièce de résistance is the living room. Here, as with most of their homes, Millennium opens the living room to the patio and garden, which has the effect of including the backyard into the floor plan. It's like having a whole separate room. And with the East Bay's 9 months of perfect weather, this door will stay open most of the time. The garden is a wonderful size and features a small casita that would be perfect as an office, yoga space, or just fancy storage. Additionally, on the first floor is a guest room, as well as an accompanying full bath, detailed with dark accents for style. Then it's up the stairs with its bespoke railing to the living quarters. It features a spacious, sunny family or common area which opens out to an even more spacious grand deck. The primary suite is light-filled with a huge walk-in closet. But here again, the Millennium designers use this as an opportunity to spoil the owners with a spa-inspired bathroom. Marble trough vanity, walk-in shower, and a huge soaking tub. You will feel special here. The other 2 bedrooms are off the family room and are good-sized and well-lit, and they share a perfectly detailed bath. But as wonderful as this house is, what gives all real estate value is its location. And as I said earlier, it doesn't get much better than 5132 Lawton. It's just a couple of blocks away from the fun and constantly changing Temescal area with its myriad of exciting eateries and shops. 3 blocks the other way lands you on College Avenue with its over 26 restaurants, Market Hall, and of course the BART, which will take you anywhere in minutes. It's a dream house in a dream location. Be sure to call me if you have any questions at all at 510-350-6419. And thanks for watching.